WHUT's community film series presents Dark Money. This political thriller examines one of the great threats to American democracy, the influence of untraceable corporate money on our elections. The film follows an intrepid Montana journalist working to expose the impact of the Supreme Court's Citizens United decision. Dark Money uncovers the shocking truth of how American elections are bought and sold. On Thursday, October 18th, in collaboration with the PBS series POV, we invite you to screen this gripping story at the WHUT Studios free of charge, followed by a lively panel discussion. To guarantee entry, please be at the WHUT Studios by 6:30 p.m. We're located at 2222 4th Street Northwest. Seating is limited, so you must RSVP at 202-806-3200 or sign up on darkmoneywhut.eventbrite.com. We'll see you there.